Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt dip. To start, gather your core ingredients for a delicious base. You'll need about 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which provides a wonderfully thick and creamy texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Don't forget 1 clove of finely minced garlic for that essential savory kick. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Now, let's talk about customizing your yogurt dip with various flavors. For a classic, fresh taste, stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill. If you're aiming for a Mediterranean vibe, 1 tablespoon of dried mint works beautifully. For a smoky, earthy depth, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can also mix in about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cucumber for a refreshing crunch and added texture. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great yogurt dip. First, combine all your chosen ingredients thoroughly in a medium-sized bowl. Stir everything gently until the mixture is smooth and all components are well blended. This ensures an even distribution of flavor. Always taste the dip at this stage and adjust any seasonings, like salt or lemon juice, to achieve your desired balance. If you prefer a thinner dip, simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water or milk. Once your delicious yogurt dip is ready, it's time to think about serving and storage. For the best flavor, chill the prepared dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your homemade creation with fresh vegetables, warm pita bread, or your favorite crackers. Any leftover dip should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can enjoy your fresh yogurt dip within 3 to 4 days for optimal taste and quality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.